All right, Dave here working on the little excavator. So I figured I'm going to do some counterweight. All right, so what I got is some trailer hitch parts. So I'm going to leave them full length. You can see it's kind of going to stick out, but if you're going to go for some counterweight, why not really go for it? I could shorten it and make it level with the body, but I'm never really going to be concerned with the swing or anything like that. And if I ever do have a problem, I'll just cut them off and make them shorter. No big deal. All right, so just got, whoa, that's hot. Making these pins on the lathe. Whoa. So go in there. Then I'll just weld them there. Then I'm going to put that big plate. I think it's about 2.5 inch. I didn't measure it yet. Hey, Rocky boy, don't be touching that big heavy plate. Then I'm gonna put that across these two here. So I'll put that in there like so. Then I'll weld the plate on top of here. And then this will be all one unit. And then I'll be able to slide it out if not needed. And maybe I'll make some kind of a basket or something on there, or a big box made out of some thick steel. Now, what are you doing in there, Rocky boy? Investigating what I'm doing? Huh? Yeah. Am I doing a good job? So I'll put that on there. Then I'll be able to take that weight off whenever. And then, these holes go about to here, so maybe the weight will come out to there. And I can load up as much as I want on there. Then once I get all this welded in, then maybe I'll put another thick piece of plate across here. Won't interfere with nothing. So heck, I'll have plenty of towing points, pulling points, tie down points, everything points. I'll have these, the 20,000 pound D-rings there. So it'll be a good get up. I put as much weight as I want back here and see what happens. There's something else to do. I did use it the other day, so it worked out great, but I didn't make no video of it. Use that bucket there. Using the grapple a lot because I had probably about 25 big cement blocks, about 100 pounds. Kind of like in a decorative area that I want to get rid of. So used all that and, handled the 100-pound big cement blocks without a problem. So even extending it pretty much full boom, it really wasn't tipping unless I jerked it. So the weight could have been used in the back and I wouldn't have had no issue, but really didn't have a problem anyway. So yeah, it worked out great. Real happy with it. Graded great. Picked up the blocks, really good. The only issue is if you're in stone, like 57 stone, and it'll get into the tracks, and then it will actually stop the track, because it can't roll over the stone when it gets caught in there. So just back up and forward, and then it's fine again. But it does not like being in the stone, and it does rip up your yard. So fortunately I was in like a dirt area, which it really didn't matter, but the tracks really rip things up. But hey, what the heck, you got to get the job done, right? All right, well, I'm gonna get to that. And let's see what I do. The other day I got that in there too, my hour meter. So that's as long as it took me to do that little job I was doing. So I was pretty much on the seat that whole time. So that thing works out good. So this is the one with the wire that goes around the spark plug. So that worked out great. And all right, Dave out.